Hey everyone, I'm Nivetha here. I'm really happy that I have launched my new application called Nivetha E-Academy. We have currently launched this application for Android users and will be soon launching it for iPhone users. What can you expect from this particular app? In this app, we have covered about the Indian e-commerce and we are planning to add more about international e-commerce also. You can learn how you can start your own website, how you can sell on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. The link of the app is along with this video, so make sure that you're clicking on the link and installing the application. Once you install, it will ask you to enter your mobile number. Please enter the same and enter the OTP. Once the OTP is entered, you can navigate inside and see all the materials available. There are a lot of free materials available and we are also updating this application regularly. So make sure that you are installing this app, and also currently the application is available only for English language and soon we are going to add Tamil videos also in the application. So make sure that you are installing it, and there's a chat option available in it. So utilize the chat option, post your questions so I and my team members will do the needful. Thank you.